Rohit Shetty. The most popular host of stunt-based reality show is none other than popular filmmaker Rohit Shetty. Rohit Shetty has been hosting the show for several seasons, and for this season he is getting 49 lakh rupees per episode. Divyanka Tripathi. This beautiful actress is the second highest paid contestant of Khatron Ke Khiladi this season. She is getting paid a hefty amount of 10 lakh rupees per episode by the makers of the reality show. Rahul Vaidya. Bigg Boss 14 contestant Rahul Vaidya is the highest paid contestant of Khatron Ke Khiladi this season. The singer and runner-up of Bigg Boss is charging a whopping amount of 15 lakhs to shoot each episode. Nikki Tamboli. Bigg Boss famed young actress Nikki Tamboli became quite famous by her stints inside the house and got approached by Khatron Ke Khiladi. This actress is earning currently 4.43 lakhs per episode of the show, which is huge. Abhinav Shukla. The former contestant of Bigg Boss Season 14, Abhinav Shukla is one of those contestants to look forward in the show. This handsome TV and Bollywood actor is charging a whopping amount of 4.25 lakhs per episode. Shweta Tiwari. Popular TV actress Shweta Tiwari is returning on the screen with Khatron Ke Khiladi after so many years. This actress is getting paid around 4 lakhs per episode by the makers of the show. Arjun Bijlani. Handsome Nagin actor Arjun Bijlani got approached by the makers and he took part in this season of Khatron Ke Khiladi. This actor has demanded a hefty amount of 7 lakhs for each episode of the show. Anushka Sen. Young TikTok famed actress Anushka Sen is also one of the participants of Khatron Ke Khiladi this season. The youngest contestant of the show, Anushka is getting paid 5 lakhs per episode as per reports. Varun Sood. Popular contestant turned gang leader of youth reality show Roadies, Varun Sood has joined Khatron Ke Khiladi as contestant. Varun has been charging an amount of 3.83 lakh per episode to do this reality show. Astha Gill. This rising singer of Bollywood industry will be spotted in this season of this reality show. This talented singer is getting a hefty amount of 1.85 lakhs for each episode of the show. Saurabh Raj Jain. He is one of the participants of Khatron Ke Khiladi this season. This popular actor is getting paid a whopping amount of 2 lakhs per episode. Mehak Chahal. As per the reports, this TV actress is getting paid 1.5 lakh per episode of the show. Vishal Aditya Singh. Vishal Aditya Singh is getting paid a hefty amount of 3.34 lakhs per episode of Khatron Ke Khiladi. Sana Maqbool. This actress is charging 2.45 lakhs per episode to feature on this show.